So now we're going to look at item number 1595, Easy Mount Tray Adapters. These adapters can be used with all of our mounting trays, including our Big Talk and Talkables. Just a note, all of the trays shown in the video here are clear, but the actual product will be in black. We are using the clear trays for demonstration purposes only. So this first piece is going to work with any mounting arm, such as our 1550 gooseneck mounting system. So the way you would put this on is you just would line it up, screw the top on until it's firm. There's two slots in here that line up. Just make sure they snap into place. Once that's on, there's two screws that need to go in here. So you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, which is a standard screwdriver. Once you have the two screws in place, you can put your small talk into the mount. You always want to go with the front face down first, push it in, and then snap it in place. To remove, pull back the tab and release. So the next part of the mounting block system I want to show you is the mounting block that we use when you're going to use a 5/8 diameter post with the thumb screw. And that would be like our 1557 light duty magic arm and also our 1631 heavy duty magic arm. First thing you got to do is you need to attach this just like as the other one. So snap it in place first, and then you'll need to secure it with the two screws here. Now that's secured. Now we can mount it on the arm. The way you do that is on this post, there's a flat spot. That screw head needs to line up with the flat spot. So when you tighten it up, it will not rotate on the cylinder or the post. So put it on, secured, and tighten it. Doesn't take much. If you put it on the round spot, it's going to spin, but if you get it right on the flat spot like I just showed you. Next, we are going to demonstrate our Easy Mount Tray Adapters. These adapters can be used to mount to a variety of tubular surfaces such as wheelchairs, bed rails, walkers, and a variety of other tubular surfaces. So the block piece is composed with a few parts. So you have the block itself, the attachment block, and then you have some inserts here. These will accommodate different diameter tubing. We give you 3 different inserts that will accommodate a wide range of tubing sizes from 7/8, 0.75, and 0.625. And I'll show you how that works. The first thing we need to do, as we've done previously in the video, is we need to attach the top part of the mounting block to the mounting tray. The way this is done, keep the 2 screws in here as before, snap it into place so it snaps in. Okay, once it's in, you'll need to secure it with the 2 small Phillips head screws. Okay, now that we have that secured, so just to simulate, if we're going to be putting this on the tubing on a wheelchair, this is a simulation. So you would take your first piece, which is the flat side, match it up with the base here. Then you would bring it around over the tubing. You would drop that in and put the other side of the adapter on the 2 bolts. Hold it in place and then use the 2 thumb screws that we provide. Tighten it up and just tighten it so it's snug. Doesn't take much, and it locks in pretty well when using the right spacers. Then you can do as before, drop in from the front, snap in place, and then to release, push back on the tab and remove. You can purchase these items from our website, enablingdevices.com, or through our phone sales at 1-800-832-8697. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you in the